Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hargai, where we dive deep into whether a vehicle truly offers value. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5 4x2. Now I know what you might be thinking, a base model two-wheel drive 4Runner? But hear me out, because sometimes what you need is far more practical than what you want. While the headlines are often dominated by the flashy, fully kitted Trailhunter with its advanced shocks and 33-inch tires, the SR5 4x2 arrives with a refreshing sense of honesty. Starting at just under $43,000, our test model with running boards and an optional third row came in at $43,880. That's a significant saving over the $70,000 Trailhunter, but does it compromise too much? Under the hood, you'll find a new 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering a respectable 278 horsepower and a solid 317 pound-feet of torque. That's a nice bump in torque over the old V6, and paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, it truly transforms the driving experience. Compared to the previous generation, which felt, well, a bit dated, this new 4Runner feels spunkier, more refined, and genuinely capable on modern roads. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in 7.3 seconds, a noticeable improvement. Now, for a 4x2, its off-road prowess might seem limited, but don't underestimate its body-on-frame construction and standard limited slip rear differential. We tested it on light trails with mud and sand, and frankly, it surprised us with its dexterity. For most casual adventurers, or even those just needing a rugged family hauler, this is more than enough. And the fuel economy? A respectable 20 city, 26 highway, and 22 combined mpg. A significant improvement over its predecessor, and competitive with rivals like the Wrangler and Bronco. Inside, the SR5 keeps things straightforward, but far from cheap. You get a practical 8-inch infotainment screen, comfortable cloth seats, and durable hard plastics, materials that actually make sense for an SUV meant to be used. The second row is adult-friendly, and while the optional third row is best for kids, the classic power-sliding rear window in the hatch is a fantastic touch for pet owners or just airing out the cabin. So, is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5 4x2 worth it? Absolutely. It's a compelling package that delivers more than its base price suggests, proving that thoughtful engineering and focused utility can be far more valuable than excess. If you appreciate honest capability and smart spending, this 4Runner might just be your perfect match. Don't miss out on more insightful automotive reviews like this. Subscribe to Hargai for more value-focused reviews.